Hello viewers, myself Rabindranath Singh, and today we are going to present another beautiful and important class of mathematics. Today we are going to learn some simplification, and this simplification is based on the rule of BODMAS rule. So first we have to learn what is BODMAS rule. Look at the whiteboard. Now B for bracket. The bracket are of different types. The line bracket is to be preferred first, then accordingly first bracket, second bracket and third bracket. O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. This is the Q. This rule is to be done when you are performing the sum of simplification. First you have to do the work of bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then at last subtraction. Okay, so first we have to do this sum. Here it is 25 minus 26 division, third bracket 6 plus second bracket 15 minus first bracket 48 minus 57 minus 17 is in the line bracket. So first we have to do the work of line bracket. 25 minus 26 division sine 6 plus second bracket 15 minus 48 minus, put the negative sign and stop here. 57 to 17, the line bracket is drawn from 57 to 17. The sign is not included, this sign. So 57 here is to be taken as positive. 57 minus 17, koto? 40. Third bracket. Okay, next 25 minus 26 division sign 6 plus second bracket, now 15 minus and stop here. The first bracket, the work of first bracket is to be done next, that is 48 minus 48, second bracket close and third bracket close. Now the work of first bracket is now vanished, so the second bracket is to be preferred. Okay, so 25 minus 26 division sign, third bracket 6 plus 15 minus 8, that is 7. Okay, next 25 minus 26, 16 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 13. Now you can see, my friend, minus and division is written simultaneously. Now division is to be preferred before subtraction. Okay, so division, the work of division should be done first. So 25 minus 26 divided by 13, that is 2, and at last 25 minus 2, that is 23 is the answer. Okay, so this is the first sum we have done in the rule of BODMAS rule. Now we are going to the second sum. Now we are proceeding to the next sum, that is 16 divided by second bracket 42 minus 38 and so on. So the first line, in the first line the work of line bracket is to be done first. So copy the remaining things, that is third bracket 16 division sign, second bracket 42 minus 38 plus 2, that is 40, second bracket, third bracket 12. Okay, and you can do the 48 divided by 2, this work you can do simultaneously with this work. Okay, because it is in the separate bracket, that is 48 divided by 2, 24, 2 plus 4. Now in the third line 16 division sign 42 minus 40, that is 2, 12, 24 into 2 plus 4. Next line 16 divided by 2, that is 8, and here there is no sign, that is it is off, 8 of 12, division sign 24 into 2 plus 4. Now you can see, my friend, look at the rule, BODMAS rule. So of division, multiplication and addition, which performance, which operation should be done at first? That is of. First it is of, then division, then multiplication, then addition. So first 8 12s are 96 is to be done first. 96. Next division sign, 24 into 2 plus 4, and next division, multiplication and addition. So division should be done at first. 96 divided by 24, that is 4, result is 4, and into 2 plus 4, and at the last line 4 to the is to be done first. 4 to the 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, this is the answer, 12. So now we are going to the third sum, that is, so first we have to rub this one and copy the third sum. Third sum, that is 4 into within third bracket 24 minus second bracket 110 minus 11 plus 3 line bracket into 4 first bracket divided by 9 closing of divided by 9. Okay, and then divided by 2 of 9. So okay friends, this is the third sum we are going to perform. So first the line bracket, work of line bracket should be done at first. So 4 and copy the all remaining things. 1 1 0, 11 plus 3 14, 14 into 4 first bracket divided by 9 now 4 into 24 110 subtraction and multiplication. The multiplication should be done at first. 14 4s are 56 divided by 9 closing of second bracket third bracket, and here you can see two signs are placed simultaneously, division and off, that is O is preferred before D. Therefore you can do 2 9s are 18. Okay, in the same step. Now come to the starting. 4 into third bracket 24 minus, now do the work of first bracket, that is 110 minus 56, 54 divided by 9 closing of second bracket third bracket divided by 18. Now 4 into third bracket 24 minus 54 divided by 9, that is 6. Now 24 minus 6 it is 18 and divided by 18. Now it is very easy, multiplication and division is placed side by side and division should be preferred before multiplication. So 18 divided by 18 is 1 and 4 ones are 4. So 4 into 1 and at the final line 4 ones are 4 is your answer. Okay viewers, so this is the rule of BODMAS rule, and when you are going to perform simplification of this type you have to strictly follow this rule. Okay, so today's short video, if you like, please share and please subscribe and please press the bell icon to get the notification of the next very important videos of mathematics yet to come. Thank you. Goodbye.